So this is going to be right up your alley. Trust me, we've unearthed some really fascinating stuff here, like a whole new way of looking at how AI is evolving. Well, our main guidebook on this adventure is, get this, the Usyuche, that's the Encyclopedia of Cybernetics, published way back in 1973. Think of it as the Soviet Union's ultimate guide to the science of, well, control and communication. It's massive tons of articles, diagrams, theoretical discussions, you name it, it's in there. And we're really zeroing in on this concept of recoverable and like super integrated cybernetic systems. Was the groundwork for all of this laid down decades ago in, the USSR?
Well, their definition was surprisingly broad. Cybernetics, they saw it as the science of control and communication, but this included living organisms too. They brought
Right.
together math, engineering, biology, even social sciences. And if you look at the encyclopedia's intro, you see these key figures, the big brains who shaped Soviet cybernetics. Leading the pack, there's this guy, V.M. Glishkov. He was a huge deal in Soviet computing and cybernetics. They thought cybernetics was like essential for automating huge chunks of their economy and their society. Think of like industrial production, economic planning, transportation, even management, right? And it even went beyond that into biology, medicine areas we're still exploring with AI today. You can see they were focused on both the theory behind these automated systems and how to actually use them in industry. There were, for example, discussions about applying cybernetics to like agriculture to, make it more efficient and even to model these complex economic systems. For instance, there's an article called APAMA, meaning, automation of production process control. And they really dig into system reliability, diagnostics, maintenance protocols. The whole focus was on making sure these complex automated systems could operate continuously and efficiently. And that means being able to spot and fix problems, which is basically what recoverability is all about. They dedicate a whole section to minimizing downtime in these automated systems. They were using math models, feedback loops, things like that. Now, with AI, we can handle massive data sets, spot these intricate patterns, and create much more sophisticated, accurate models, like really dynamic models of both biological and technological systems. Imagine taking that Soviet big picture thinking, understanding how everything's connected in these complex systems, how they communicate, and then you add in AI. You add in its ability to adapt, to learn, to predict. Suddenly you've got these cybernetic systems that are not just crazy intelligent, but also super robust and self-healing. AI algorithms can analyze like mountains of data to spot the tiniest anomalies. They can predict failures way better than old school methods, and they can even kickstart repair processes or reconfigure things automatically. But with AI, we can reach a level of sophistication they couldn't even dream of back then.